In this video, I'll guide you through how to add the subtitles in Canva. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, open the video on Canva editor. Then click on Apps. Now search for animated subtitles and choose the first one. Now click on Open and click on Start. Now choose your page and click on Export. Now wait for a few seconds to read your entire video. Now choose your style and click on it. Then click on Generate. Again, wait for a few seconds to add subtitle on your video. Once it's ready, then click on Generate Video with Subtitles. Now click on your video and then Add to Design. And delete the previous one and resize the new one. Let's play the video. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily add subtitles in Canva.